Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Prime Treasures, your go-to guide for the best home gear and tech that delivers serious performance without the hefty price tag. With summer temperatures rising in 2025, staying cool and comfortable is more important than ever. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, home office, dorm room, or even a small studio apartment, a good portable air conditioner can make all the difference. No permanent installation, just plug, cool down, and roll it away when you're done. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best portable air conditioners of 2025, ranked by cooling power, energy efficiency, noise levels, smart features, build quality, and real user experiences. And yes, links to each model are in the description. Let's chill out and get into it. Number 10. BLACK+DECKER BPAC10WT 10,000 BTU. First up is the BLACK+DECKER BPAC10WT, a go-to entry-level 10,000 BTU model that's perfect for small rooms or tight spaces. It offers 3-in-1 functionality: cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes. With caster wheels and a lightweight design under 60 pounds, it's easy to move around the home or office. The LED control panel includes sleep and timer modes, while the auto evaporation system helps reduce condensate maintenance. Best for small bedrooms or home offices under 250 square feet. Reliable, compact, and affordable with zero setup fuss. Number 9. SereneLife SLPAC10 10,000 BTU. At number 9, the SereneLife SLPAC10 is a budget-friendly pick that balances performance and quiet operation. It delivers efficient cooling via its remote-controlled LED interface, includes caster wheels and handles for portability, and runs at a whisper-quiet 53 decibels on low speed. With dehumidifier mode handling up to 3.5 pints per hour and an auto reset after drainage, this AC won't interrupt meetings or sleep. Ideal for dorms, offices, or cozy bedrooms. Its compact cooling made user-friendly. Number 8. LG LP1419 IVSM 14,000 BTU inverter. Next up is the LG LP1419 IVSM, an advanced inverter model built for efficiency and smooth performance. With dual inverter compressor technology, it ramps up to full cooling power fast while using less electricity than traditional units. The whisper communication control drops sound to around 44 decibels, and you can control it through the ThinQ app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google. Energy Star certified with a programmable timer and auto energy saving mode rounds it out nicely. Great for living rooms or larger bedrooms up to 450 square feet. Powerful cooling with smart home convenience. Number 7. Honeywell HM14CCS 14,000 BTU. Coming in at number 7 is the Honeywell HM14CCS, a mid-sized unit that combines strong cooling with app-based control. This model supports Wi-Fi connectivity via the Honeywell Home app, voice control, and real-time energy usage feedback. It works in cooling, fan, or dehumidifier modes, while the auto evaporation system minimizes maintenance. Typically operating under 48 decibels, it stays unobtrusive even at night. Perfect for bedrooms or offices up to 500 square feet. Smart and steady performance where you need it most. Number 6. Whynter ARC-14SH 14,000 BTU dual hose. Halfway through, the Whynter ARC-14SH stands out with its dual hose design for fast and efficient performance. With separate intake and exhaust hoses, it avoids creating negative pressurization in the room. Energy Star certified and boasting a high COP rating, it offers strong dehumidification up to 125 pints per day and effortless portability thanks to rear-mounted caster wheels and handles. This unit is ideal for larger rooms or open layouts. You'll feel comfortable, not just cool. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER BPACT14 WT 14,000 BTU. In the middle of the list is the BLACK+DECKER BPACT14 WT, perfect for those needing solid cooling with convenience features. It features energy-saving eco mode, sleep mode, and built-in timer settings. The auto-evaporation function reduces condensate drip trays. While cooling rooms up to 500 square feet, it stays surprisingly quiet and portable, with caster wheels and side handles. For reliability, simplicity, and mid-range rooms, it's a dependable all-rounder that keeps things cool and low maintenance. Number 4. Honeywell MN10CES 10,000 BTU dual hose. At number 4, the Honeywell MN10CES brings dual hose technology into a compact housing. It cools quickly and quietly, about 45 decibels, while combo pump and gravity-based auto-evaporation reduce water maintenance. With a washable filter and strong dehumidification, this unit stays efficient over time. Compact but powerful, it's well-suited to rooms up to 350 square feet. Best for renters or small spaces where efficiency, portability, and quiet cooling are priorities. Number 3. Whynter ARC-14SHV 14,000 BTU dual hose. Our bronze pick is the Whynter ARC-14SHV, a robust, energy-efficient dual hose unit offering extended performance. It delivers efficient cooling and dehumidification and includes caster wheels, handles, and slide-out filters. The unit maintains performance over long run time thanks to the self-draining system, and noise remains low around 52 decibels thanks to internal insulation. Built for large bedrooms, hobby rooms, or enclosed patios, this unit keeps you cool and dry with less fuss. Number 2. LG LP 2019 IVSM 19,000 BTU inverter. Runner-up is the LG LP 2019 IVSM, LG's powerhouse inverter AC in 2025, delivering high-capacity cooling quietly and efficiently. Capable of cooling up to 700 square feet, it uses dual inverter compressor tech to reach set temperatures faster while consuming less power than non-inverter units. Wi-Fi connectivity, voice command compatibility, and a multi-speed fan system make it easy to customize. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR certified, with eco and sleep modes to reduce energy usage overnight. Perfect for large open-plan living areas, dens, or hot climate spaces. Smart, strong, and surprisingly quiet. Number 1. Midea Duo MAP 14 HS1 TBL 14,000 BTU dual hose inverter portable AC. Yes, the Midea Duo deserves its spotlight because it continues to redefine what a portable AC can be in 2025. Armed with dual hose inverter tech, it cools faster, runs quieter, and saves more energy than nearly every competitor in its class. Its innovative hose-in-hose design keeps hot air out and cold air in, maintaining room temperature with unmatched consistency. And that wraps up our extended countdown of the top 10 best portable air conditioners of 2025. From compact small room models to powerful dual hose workhorses, each unit brings unique strengths depending on your space and smart control needs. Which one fits your living area or cooling style best? Have you tried any of these yet? Drop your favorite in the comments and help other viewers find their perfect portable AC match. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another Prime Treasures review or buying guide.